Let's look at the translation of Chapter 5, Part 2. Quand is when. Elle est rentrée. So here we've got the verb rentrer. That's the past participle to return or to enter into something again. And it's conjugated with être because it's an intransitive verb of motion. When she returned, elle est montée à sa chambre. So the verb here is monter, to go up, and it's conjugated with être. She went up to, now this could be his or her bedroom, but his bedroom wouldn't make any sense in this context, or if it did, I don't want to hear about it. Elle est montée à sa chambre. She went upstairs to her bedroom. Elle peut y dormir tranquillement. She can, that's pouvoir, the present tense, and we've got a pronoun, dormir, sleep there. She is able to sleep there, tranquillement, peacefully. She's able to sleep peacefully there, or to sleep peacefully there. Quand elle est retournée, when she returned, so this is like up here, quand elle est rentrée, when she returned, but now we're using a different verb, still an intransitive verb of motion, conjugated with être. The subject is feminine, so we get an E there. When she returned, she a vu, past participle of voir, to see. She saw des gâteaux. Now, gâteau could be cookies or cakes or goodies in general. You can translate it pretty much any way that you would want there. Now, the next sentence is elle veut. So here we've got vouloir, to want. She wants to eat. So you've got the infinitive. She wants to eat beaucoup de crêpes. Beaucoup de means lots of. Crêpes, you can translate either as crêpe, like the French crepes, that way, or you can translate it as pancakes, depending on the context. Il veut sortir. He wants, sortir is to go out, so he wants to go out.